much that you and I have never spoken on the phone. This is long overdue.
Welcome, it's Dadson Do It All, and today we're at Spirit Halloween. This is one of our favorite stores, so we hope you enjoy. The setup here was really nice this year.
And they created essentially a carnival haunt walkthrough, which was really cool. As we make our way through the haunt and the animatronics, after seeing Ringmaster and Ghostface, the first thing you come up to is Dark Princess, and she has an amazing jump scare. As we're touring the animatronic lineup, we'd love to hear from you to let us know what's your favorite animatronic from Spirit for 2024 or even past years. Our favorites are still yet to come, so be sure to stick around. After checking out Death Ray, we went to visit Candy Dan, which we think is one of the best ones they have on display this year. After getting a fright from Candy Dan, next up was Bobby Strings. And he's one of several marionettes that are out this year, but we think he looks awesome. Definitely a keeper in the marionette game. A lot of stores are using more licensed products this year. And this is Emily and Victor from Corpse Bride, and they look amazing in real life. Exactly like you would imagine. While Barnaby the Bear fits the motif for the carnival, he looks a little out of place in general with the other animatronics. Let us know what you think of him. On the other hand, there's not much better than the old classic jumping spider.
The funhouse was one of me and Dad's favorite parts. I liked the wall decorations. I think it looked really cool, and I also liked all the decor they had and the costumes.
After exiting the tent, which Son and I both loved, you're hit with some black lights and come around the corner right into Nibbles. We love his design, but we're indifferent about the clown theme. Doesn't necessarily fit our haunt. Then there was Wanda. So we'd love to hear what everyone thinks of Wanda. Our entire family was torn between creepy, scary, not really something that they would want. So we're really, really torn on Wanda. Let us know.
Wonder what Dad's gonna get. Whatever he gets, it should be good. Let's hope. Uh-oh.
At the time of our filming, Spirit still had a lot of animatronics in stock. They even had a ton that they did not have on display. And both Son and Mai's favorites weren't actually out on display, but were available. So be sure to stick around and we'll point those out to you. And sitting right on top of this aisle display is my favorite. There he is, Gordo. So hopefully we can get one of him, because we'd love to add him to our haunt.
So, you just saw Dad's favorite? Well, this is mine. It's the black heart, and I love it. As you can see, there is a hidden one back here behind two animatronics. We had to try to go under the animatronics to see it.
Just like the last couple years, Spirit continues to put out some value animatronics. Those may be a mix of classics or older ones, but you can get some great deals on some awesome animatronics at a good price. After we finished checking out the animatronics, our next step was to check out the home decor. And Spirit has some of the best home decor in the game to help you decorate inside the house and make your season festive. So whether it's items for your wall or just plushes, blankets, you name it, licensed, unlicensed, Spirit branded, you can get everything you need here to have an awesome festive Halloween season. We were really drawn to the licensed characters and display, especially one of my favorites, Sam from Trick or Treat. After the home decor, this brings us to one of our favorite sections, which is all the accessories, props, and add-ons to really make any of your displays or haunts stand out. This can be fog machines, it can be the little extras, it can be inflatables, it can be statics. So be sure to check them all out because there's something here for everyone, and we love it all. Inflatables are a big hit at our house, and Spirit has some exclusive and some really awesome designs. So we definitely picked one up. Be sure to stay tuned, subscribe to check out the unboxing and setup of some of our inflatables, especially the new one we got this year. Now, it just may be Son and I, but while we love all the lights and accessories and statics, we are always drawn to these miniature skeletons because we find them awesome and extremely detailed. Next up on our tour is all the different masks, costumes, and personal accessories so you can look the best this haunt season in whatever you decide to dress up as. Let us know if anybody has their perfect costume picked out in the comments below. Be sure to stick around to see what Son and I might be wearing this year to celebrate the season. If you love Halloween, you found the right place. Be sure to subscribe because we have so much more content coming, and it's our favorite season of the year. Start with this video right here. We hope you enjoyed. All our best and take care.